Prime Minister Narendra Modi's big charge against Sonia and Rahul Gandhi. While addressing a gathering in Maharashtra, the Prime Minister took a veiled attack at Sonia Gandhi and said that some leaders are scared of fighting Lok Sabha polls. And he took the Rajya Sabha route to avoid disappointment in the upcoming elections. Remember, Sonia Gandhi had recently taken oath as a Rajya Sabha MP from Rajasthan earlier this month, calling Rahul Gandhi Shehzada. He said that he ran away from Amethi after 2019 and very soon he will be having to flee from Wayanad as well. He's claimed that India bloc leaders are frustrated and that they will tear their clothes and will pluck their hair after the Lok Sabha elections.
कुछ नेता जो लगातार लोकसभा में जीत करके आते थे, इस बार आपने देखा है वो लोकसभा का चुनाव छोड़ करके राज्यसभा के रास्ते से अंदर जाके बैठ गए हैं। चुनाव लड़ने की हिम्मत नहीं रही है जी। जैसे ही 26 को वायनाड में वोटिंग पूरा हो जाएगा, ये शाहजादे के लिए एक और सुरक्षित सीट घोषित कर देंगे और कहीं और से फिर से लड़ाना पड़ेगा उनको। अब जैसे इन्होंने अमेठी से भागना पड़ा, अमेठी छोड़ा, अब मान के चलिए वो वायनाड भी छोड़ेंगे। 4 जून के बाद इंडी गठबंधन आज जो 25% सीटों पर बिखरा है, लड़ाई अंदर अंदर लड़ रहा है, 4 जून के बाद वो 100% एक दूसरे के कपड़े फाड़ने वाले हैं, एक दूसरे के बाल नोचने वाले हैं।
Rahul Gandhi is going to win more votes than last time, and his majority will be definitely going to upset the Prime Minister and BJP. In Kerala, the UDF, led by Congress, will be going to get all 20 seats. So BJP will not open an account in Kerala. I don't know where the Prime Minister, where did he get this information? Mr. Rahul Gandhi is going to win with a thumping majority from Wayanad. So BJP, he will be a poor third in Kerala. The Prime Minister is regularly visiting in Kerala. If he visits more, our margin will go up. That is the situation in Kerala.
I'm sure the entire country knows about Rahul Gandhi's long history of non-performance in the parliament and his long history of non-performance while he is working for the people also. When he became the member of parliament for the first time in Amethi, it was a family bastion for almost 50 plus years. And then he won his first election by 4 or 5 lakh votes. Then we saw his margin decrease every single time. And in 2019, he was routed from Amethi. And that is because of his proven 20-year history of not working for the people when given a chance to work for the people. Then the Congress took the safest route to ensure that he gets into the parliament. They made him a candidate from Wayanad. There are multiple reasons, including demographics, to support Mr. Gandhi. But again, the people of Kerala, especially Wayanad, are not very happy with his, let's say, performance.